ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको देनी है राइट एनी टू एडवांटेजेस ऑफ ए कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप ओवर ए सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप एंड देन वी हैव टू ड्रॉ ए रे डायग्राम। तो एडवांटेजेस जो है कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप के ओवर ए सिंगल सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप इज दैट इट हैज द it gives us the larger magnification and the brighter image। so advantages आप लिख सकते हो, पहली है it gives us the compound microscopes gives us the larger magnification, and second advantage is that it gives or produces the brighter image. That is advantage of the compound over the simple. Now we have to draw a ray diagram for the image formation at the near point. Near point means at least distance of distinct vision by a compound microscope, and we have to explain it. Okay, first of all, there is the lens that faces the object is called the objective lens. uh, First one is the objective lens that faces the object, so it's the objective lens. This is the objective, and this objective lens will produce a real inverted and magnified image of the object. So let's keep the object here. So they will produce a real magnified and a real inverted and magnified image of the object, or now AB is the object. AB is the object, so it produces this, the real inverted and the magnified object, sorry, magnified image of the object. And this object will serve as this image will serve as the object for the second lens, that is the eyepiece lens. So this is within the focal length of the eyepiece lens, this image. तो यहाँ पे है the aperture of the eyepiece lens is more than that of the objective. Okay, ये जो rays of these rays of light, just to make sure that these rays of light after intersecting, they will be refracted by this lens and will be seen here by the viewer. Now, if produced backwards, they will produce the image here. We have to produce them backwards. Okay, let's suppose they are intersecting here. So this is the image formed at the least distance of distinct vision, and its final image is also inverted. Its final image, which is enlarged and virtual. This is enlarged and virtual. And the image is A dash, A double dash, B dash. This is the eyepiece of a large aperture than the objective. And we are able to view the object from here. And this is the object distance. Let this be the focal length of the objective. तो जो इसने जो image produce की है, that is beyond the focal length, but within the focal length of the eyepiece. Okay. So this image that is produced, this inverted and magnified image which is produced by the objective, serves as the object for this eyepiece, and the final virtual and magnified image is produced at the least distinct or distinct vision. So this distance where this image is produced is at D, that is 25 centimeter, which is the minimum distance where we can see an object very distinctly and clearly. अब इसकी हमें लिखनी है explanation. So for explanation, we will write that the lens near the object is called the objective, which produces lens near the object, and that is objective lens. It forms a real inverted and magnified image of the object. Which serves as the object for the second lens, that is eyepiece, for eye lens, and which functions like a simple microscope. This eye lens, it functions like a simple microscope, and produces final image. And this final image is enlarged and virtual. Okay, so that was the ray diagram for the compound microscope and its working.